So, step one, how big is my scale that goes up this side going to be? If I was to look at my chart, the biggest number I've got on my chart here is 13. And I don't want to have 13 squares going down because that's actually going to be quite big. So I'm going to go in twos. My scale will be 1 square is the same as 2 cats. Now I'm going to start with my top number, which won't be 13, it's going to be 14. So my top number is going to be 14, and I'm just going to write that here because I'm comfortable that that's a good place to put it. Underneath, I'm going to go down in twos now. 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. We have to go down to 0. Now I'm just going to count up to make sure I've not missed anything out. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. What I now need to do is decide how wide is my chart going to be. Now I've got 5 flavours of cat food: chicken, beef, turkey, fish and mixed. I think each bar needs to be 2 squares wide. Not 1 because that would be quite thin, but 1 would be okay. 2 is a good number, 3 would be too big, it would just look silly. So what I now need to do is get my ruler. Actually, before I do that, I need to draw my y-axes in. Some people prefer to draw their axes in before they put the numbers, and that's fine. I like to do it the other way around because then I know I've got my axes the right length. And I'm using a ruler. And there we go, no rubbings out needed. So if I've got each bar is going to be 2 squares wide, I need 10 squares. So I look on my ruler, and there we go, 10, and I can draw my x-axis across. And while my ruler's still there, I'm actually going to mark that. So every 2 centimetres or 2 squares, I'm going to put a little dot like that. Okay, and that will help me. Now the next thing I need to do is label the x-axis so I know what I'm going to be writing. The first flavour on my cat food on my chart is chicken, so that's what I'm going to write. The next flavour, now I'm not very happy with the way I've done that because I've not written chicken on the line. So I need to remember that I need to write on the line beef, turkey, fish and mixed. Now you need very small writing. Some people may choose to turn the paper up this way, the other way around, and write the words down.